6th of September 2020 we had it's Kaarnapolku, was it 2?
Yes.
Yes, it's TKC.
Yeah.
With 7 floors. It's here in Jamppa, Järvenpää, Helsinki. Helsinki is 4 switches also in Finland, but we have time for just one ride. Here.
Yeah.
Because this cab is too boring. It was built in 1972, turning 50 years old this year, 2022. And it's got to be the end of 1972, because 1974 we have in building 4.
Yeah.
December is H29881 and modernized in 2005 and probably the beginning of 2005. Like in the building 4.
Yeah.
I can press the ground floor.
Yeah.
You can press that. So the 6th floor. We'll be inspecting it next year, 2023. Once I turn 15, so in 2020. I hope it will not stop anywhere else.
Yeah. Inspected by Sapient, maintained by Kone.
Yeah.
It's Sapient Kone are rare combination, but not so rare in Jamppa.
Yeah. Interesting. Now I think that is the emergency light.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
That's